Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some updates that I've made to my Day Spa business plan template for 2023. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll go through some of the updates that I've made to my business plan template for the day spa industry. And then when we're done with that, we'll wrap it up, sum it up, and call it a day. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the Day Spa business plan template updates that I've made for 2023. All right, so the first update that I made to the template was I updated the industry research. As we all know, having up-to-date industry research is a critical component of any business plan, especially in the day spa industry. So what I've done is I've updated the information in the template, and the industry that I researched for the day spa industry is the health and wellness spas industry. And some of the changes that I made was I updated the company or the industry description. I added some revenues, profits, profit margins, number of businesses. All the good information I updated, and the information came from IBIS World, which is in my opinion, the industry leader in industry research. And the second update that I made was again for the industry research. What I did is I expanded upon it for 2023. And so for this segment, what I've done is I added products and services segmentation. So I've added an additional component to my industry research. And then finally, the last update that I made was for the financial model. So all my business plan templates, especially or including the day spa industry, comes with a financial model that's already structured and customized for the day spa industry. Well, what I've done is I've made it a little bit. I've increased the usability of the template to the point where now for your first 12-month profit and loss, you are now able to change the revenue growth on a monthly basis as compared to an annual basis for the first year. And just to do that, you just go into the tab for the profit and loss, and you'll see the sales growth, and you just update your sales growth to whatever it's going to be for that particular month, and the revenues will reflect accordingly. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.